same thing day after day? Tired of just losing money on trading? I have a solution for you. TradingBot is the first free Autobot. You don't need to constantly monitor the market. The Autobot will do everything for you. Just try it and change your life. Start trading with Autobot. You asked to show how the bot trades on minute deals, and today we will do it. Let's start with an optimal balance of $1,000 and see what results can be achieved in just 5 minutes. Let's set up the Autobot for our balance and start trading. The bot immediately opened our first deal. Since the deals will be 1 minute each, we will speed up the video so as not to waste a lot of your time. And you will see in the dynamics how the Autobot trades. Autobot is completely free and absolutely everyone can get it. Just go down to the description under the video, follow the link, and get the Autobot. We get profit right from the first deal. Thanks to the Autobot, let's continue to observe what our Autobot is capable of. The Autobot was just a little short of closing another deal in plus. But that's good, we can show you how it will open a catch-up and show that with such a high percentage of passability, it is not scary to get a minus. As I said, friends, with such a percentage of passability, the bot will not let you lose your balance, but will only help to increase it. I want to remind you once again that the Autobot is completely free. And I ask you to write in the comments what other videos you want to see about the Autobot. We will be very grateful for your feedback. Well, friends, how do you like the result? Only 4 trades have passed. Let's let the bot close the final trade, and then we'll sum up the results of the trading session. It's just amazing. In just 5 trades, the Autobot made almost our balance times 3. Let's sum up the trading session. 4 out of 5 trades in plus. Balance $2,340, and you can get all this absolutely free. Just follow the link in the description and get the Autobot. TradingBot, your solution in the world of trading.